Today's video is about under which international law Chinese nationals are protected in Pakistan. The recent killing of 9 Chinese engineers in a terrorist attack in Pakistan has brought light to the dangerous security situation faced by Chinese citizens in the country. The attack is a clear violation of international law which places an obligation on the states to protect foreign nationals within their boundaries. Under customary international law, states have a duty to protect foreign nationals from threats to their safety and well-being. This obligation arises from the principle of the state sovereignty, which gives states the primary responsibility for maintaining order and security within their territories. The Vienna Convention and the on Diplomatic Relations 1961 and the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations 1963 further codified the obligations by requiring states to provide adequate protection to diplomats and consular personnel. These principles extend to all foreign nationals regardless of their status. The Pakistani government has failed to fulfill its obligations under the international law to protect Chinese nationals. The country has been plagued by terrorism for decades, and the foreign nationals have frequently been targeted by extremist groups. In the case of the recent attack, it is clear that Pakistani government did not take adequate measures to prevent the incident. Despite of intelligence reports indicating a threat to Chinese workers, the government failed to provide sufficient security. Pakistan's failures to protect Chinese nationals has serious consequences. It undermines the confidence of the foreign investors and workers who are essential for the country's economical development. It also damaged Pakistan's reputation as safe destination for foreign visitors. Moreover, the attack has created a climate of fear and uncertainty among Chinese citizens in Pakistan. Many have been forced to leave the country, and those who remain in constant fear of being targeted. China has a strong condemnation on the attack and demanded that the Pakistan take immediate actions to apprehend the perpetrators and prevent similar incidents in the future. China has also sent a team of security experts to Pakistan to assess the situation and provide assistance. China's response is understandable given the gravity of the situation. The attack has not only claimed the lives of innocent Chinese citizens but also undermines Chinese interest in Pakistan. The international community is also responsible to address the issue of Chinese safety in Pakistan. Terrorism is a global problem that requires a collective response. The United Nations Security Council has condemned the attack and called on Pakistan to take all necessary steps, measures to protect foreign nationals. The international community should continue to pressure Pakistan to fulfill their obligations under the international law. The killing of the 9 Chinese engineers in Pakistan is a serious violation of international law. Pakistan has failed to adequately protect foreign nationals within its borders, putting Chinese citizens at risk. China's response is understandable, and the international community has a responsibility to support China in demanding justice for their victims. Terrorism is a global problem that requires a collective response, and the Pakistan must be held accountable for the failure to protect the foreign nationals.